kids because I saw the evils of the world. And 4 years ago, I decided to have a child. And right now, I am out here fighting for her freedoms. I am terrified of what the future is going to become for all of our children. And if everybody does nothing, they win. And you know what that means? We go into a fucking totalitarian society. These guys are looking, like right now, they've already imposed a social credit system, right? Let's look at this. That's what they're doing. This is all about Trudeau being able to...
Bonjour. Ma première question, chers citoyens.
Oui, allez-y. Ben, on est là, tout le monde ensemble, pour se donner la chance de rebâtir notre pays à cause des lois sanitaires qui nous emmerdent la vie, qui nous polluent la santé, qui nous polluent l'existence. Et puis, aujourd'hui, sur la colline parlementaire, c'est féminin, ça, la colline parlementaire, hein? Oui. Ça vibre, les femmes vibrent aujourd'hui, hein? Puis, je pense que on s'en va du bon bord, on va l'avoir Trudeau, bien comme faut.
Stop change! Stop it!